Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A23 smartphone. In this video, we will learn how you can turn on flashlight to take photos in your phone Samsung Galaxy A23.
ஆன் செய்கிறது.
Suppose if you are taking photos in low light or in night time, if you would like to have better image, then you can use flashlight feature provided in the camera of your phone. What you have to do is just turn on the flashlight before taking the photo, then you can get the better image with better quality. See here, first go to the camera, and this is a camera shutter button. If you click on it, image will be captured. If you want to turn on flashlight for better light, then click here and you will have three options. This is the option to turn on flashlight, okay, and you will also see this flashlight icon with number A. Okay, that means your phone will automatically detect the light, and if it needed, it will automatically turn on flashlight. Okay, so this is auto detect option. That is flashlight will function automatically based on the light. Okay, so if you really want to turn on flashlight, then use this, and it will immediately turn on flashlight while taking photos. See here. Yes, see here. While taking photo, flashlight will appear, and with that flash you can enhance the light. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.